Welcome, today I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant option into a Motorola Moto G22. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got Google account icon. Tap it and choose settings. Then go into Google Assistant. And in this menu scroll down and find general option, this one. And now tap here on the switcher to turn off your Google Assistant and confirm operation, tapping turn off one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.